Ordered and unordered list. We can create bulleted and numbered list using HTML. This is done by using ordered and unordered list tag. So order and unordered list tags are used in HTML. So ordered list means it has numbers which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and unordered list means um, it has not no numbers involved. That is only bullet points are involved. So that is unordered list. To create unordered list, you will enclose your list within an opening UL tag and closing /UL tag. So for creating unordered list, we have to use tag UL. Each list item is denoted with a list item li tag, and you need a closing li tag at end of each list item. P, that is paragraph, my best friend, then P close, then UL, that means unordered list starting, then li Sally, then li close, then list Joe's list close, list Paul list close, then UL, that is unordered list is closed here. Output my best friends dot Sally dot Joe's dot Paul. So this is output for unordered list. Using OL in place of UL produces a numbered list. The tag OL means ordered listing. This is output for output for this program, that is for ordered list. Output is countries: 1 China, 2 United States, 3 United Kingdom, and 4 France. So this is output for ordered list. Big and small tags. The big and small tags provide you with means to carefully control text size. We can nest big and small tags to get string of text. So big tags and small tags are for controlling the text size. To use big tag, simply place opening big at start of text you want as larger font. To make it larger, add as many big tags as necessary. So this is big tag. At end of text you want to have larger font, place a corresponding closing tag big. That means we have to open as well as we have to close. The small tag works in an analogous manner. Header 1 my web page, header 1 close. P video big is big. So these are basically big tags and small tags. So the output is like video, then is very big, then courtesy is again small. So the output is some texts are very big, some texts are small.